I come to say goodbye.
Where are you going?
Come on. It's not a little trip.
Charlie, will I ever see you again?
Sure. Sure you will. You know, goodbyes aren't forever.
Then, goodbye, Charlie. I love you.